Improving tap water quality for your family's health and safety is easy if you pick only the best countertop water filter. This device is a convenient way of removing contaminants from your drinking and cooking water. Ensuring a delicious and nutritious meal and beverage is straightforward with countertop filtration systems. Buying a countertop water filter is the right choice for anyone who wants safe drinking water but hates tedious installation. It can be a wonderful addition to your kitchen, too, if you know how to choose. No worries. Here are 5 amazing countertop water filters for you. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best countertop water filter 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Aquasana brand. This countertop filtered water dispenser is obsessively engineered to force unfiltered water through an ultra-dense filter block for an 8-ounce glass of clean, filtered water in only 8 seconds. For different methods of advanced filtration work together to reduce up to 99% of 77 contaminants including lead, PFAS, chlorine, pesticides, microplastics, and more. Removes 15x more contaminants than the leading pitcher filter while retaining beneficial minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. WQA tested and certified to NSF/ANSI standards 42, 53, includes P473 and 401. This water dispenser is also 100% BPA free. Rest easy knowing that no chemicals are added during the filtration process. One single clean water machine filter replaces more than 2,200 single-use plastic bottles and lasts up to 7.5x longer than the leading pitcher filter. There is no need to disconnect/hook up water lines or call a plumber with this countertop water filter dispenser system. Filters 300 gallons of water or up to 6 months of routine use for clean, great-tasting drinking water. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Huber brand. Why is Huber water filter dispenser considered outstanding by its users? Simply put, our highly advanced filtering system ensures maximal purification for the best tasting water. Unique, patented Huber technology not only reduces heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and copper, chlorine taste, impurities and scale-forming substances, but also lets those valuable minerals through. The result is fresh, natural, balanced water ranking highest in consumer taste tests throughout Europe. The versatile unit is designed as a water dispenser for fridge or as a countertop water filter, positioned in a cool area, ready for drinking. Huber's strict quality control standards and rigorous testing ensure the highest quality, so you can enjoy healthy water at home, in the office, or on the go. Save up to 300 single-use plastic bottles per filter or up to 2,000 bottles a year while enjoying the purest tasting water. In addition, our fridge water dispenser enhances the aroma and taste of tea and coffee and provides a more refined crema for your coffee. Enjoy filtered water faster with no pre-soaking required to activate the filter. Number 3 in our top is from the PUREPLUS brand. Multi-stage deep filtration converts your tap water into pure and healthy drinking water, which is tested to remove 99.99% of pollutants and harmful substances, including chlorine, fluoride, bacteria, PFOA/PFOS, pharmaceuticals, nitrate, heavy metals, lead, arsenic, TDS. This reverse osmosis water filter system features with multiple temperature modes to serve different water needs, like hot tea, coffee, infant formula, hot chocolate, oatmeal, etc. The capacity of hot water dispenser can meet the daily water intake needs of the human body. Food-grade material ensures the safety of our product. Also, water shortage reminder can prevent the machine from dry burning. Removable water tank allows for easy disposal of water. You never have to wait for a pot or kettle to boil. You can collect heated filtered water anytime within 3 seconds for a quick sip of hot tea or coffee. Keeps water fresh by heating an individual serving immediately without reheating. Frees you from complicated installation and filter replacement. Compared with traditional undersink filtration, it is not limited by water source in space, and you can place the water purifier anywhere there is a power supply, ideal for kitchens, bedrooms, offices, RVs. Number 2 in our top is from the Epic Water Filters brand. This American-made and American-tested high-quality solid coconut carbon filters produce 150 gallons of clean, healthy water, lasting 3 times longer than standard Brita filters and 4 times longer than zero water for maximum lifetime savings. The Epic Nano pitcher includes a digital filter indicator to notify you when it is time to change the filter, no more guessing. At Epic Water Filters we took the extra step to have the Epic Nano water pitcher filter independently tested by labs both in United States and in other countries. The Epic Nano filter has been tested to remove over 200 plus known water contaminants by third-party accredited labs against 5 different NSF/ANSI water filtration standards for removal of bacteria, viruses, cysts, chlorine, odors, fluoride, heavy metals, herbicides, pesticides, VOE, PFOA, PFOS, trace pharmaceuticals. We believe in supporting others who are doing work that matters. As a 1% for the Planet member, we commit 1% of our sales each year to give back to organizations that are truly making a difference. The number 1 product is part of the Santevia brand. Create cleaner, pure-tasting water with our BPA-free, gravity water system. Santevia filters first reduce impurities from water and then add back healthy essential minerals to create pure and mineralized water. The Santevia gravity water system reduces hazardous chemicals found in tap water like chlorine, pharmaceuticals, and fluoride as well as heavy metals like lead. Santevia water filters add essential minerals like calcium, magnesium and potassium to create water that's healthier for you. Support your optimal health and love your body from the inside out with clean and mineralized water. Santevia water filters raise the pH of your water by up to plus 2.0 units, creating a smooth and silky taste. By increasing the alkalinity of your water, you support your body's ability to fight unhealthy acidity. Adding healthy minerals to water is better for your health and will also make your water taste fresh and delicious. Santevia filtered water tastes so good that you'll drink more of it and stay better hydrated. Which countertop water filter would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.